Oh. All right, we got more trees in the way. I think this is the way to go. I don't really know. I don't remember. It's been years since I've been here. But we're gonna clear them and hope this is the right way. Got one already, Bobby. Huh? I got one already. Little bluegill. See, told you. This is beautiful, dude. You on?
I think I got a bite.
Probably. The bluegill, it's hard for them to get the hooks because, you know, they have small mouths. Oh, I got one. Oh no, he had it.
I think I got a smallmouth.
He finally caught one. He caught his first fish in 10 years. No, I think it's a bluegill. Got him in the water like a pet. No, that's a smallmouth. His eyes are huge. I think he's like a dwarf or something. His first fish. Yeah, Bobby. Yeah, I think these are like little smallmouth. There we go. Pretty little guy. Oh, it's definitely a smallmouth. Got some fight behind her. Oh yeah, that's a pretty nice one, dude. Ow. Easy, Bobby. Jordan's in pain right now. He decided, I think I already said this, but he decided to get waders without boots on them. And then he ordered shoes and they fell off. They fell off and he just left them in the river. All right, come cast over here and get some smallmouth. Just swim. Just take off the waders and swim. You're hung up.
No, it's white.
Oh, reel her in, Bobby. Yeah, that's a good size one. Looks like the one I caught. You probably went after yours. Oh. Grab them by the body first. And then, yep, and just squeeze. Hold on. Yeah, hold on, because they're strong.
Ow!
Yeah, watch out. Yeah, hold them up a little bit. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Where'd it go? Oh. Hold on. Hell yeah, dude. That's a good one. That's a good smallmouth. What are you dumping it in the water for?
Gonna stand up.
That's a pretty strong bluegill there, Bobby. You're gonna get a what?
I'm gonna get E. coli.
There's no E. coli in the Rapidan. This river's pretty clean. All right, little Bobby.
Dude, everything I step on is just been digging into my foot.
There's a huge rock right there. Step on that. You good?
You got me on all the rocks.
Well, just ran into some kayakers. Hopefully they don't steal my tackle bag. Oh, watch out. Oh, watch out, Bobby. Oh! Woo! That was close. I broke my leg. There's a fucking hole right here. Ow. Just got another little one. Chill, Bobby. Chill, Bobby. Good gizzly. Bobby, it's raining. It shouldn't be bad. You good? You good?
I think like some nut, like dust.
Some nut dust. Whoa! Some nut dust.
Some nut dust.
Swallowing some nut dust, Bobby. Finally. There's a little smallmouth. Largemouth? Oh, a little largemouth, dude. I should keep him for the aquarium. Look at that little guy, little largy. Pretty. Bobby, he had it for so long. Where did he go, brother? It's deep right here. Deep right here. There we go. Buddy, I think that was a largemouth. Ooh, that's a pretty tough bite there. Little smallie. What? Easy, buddy. If you hook me, I'm gonna curb. Ooh. Oh, I saw him hit that. I was just reeling it back in. See him? I was just reeling it back in and he freaking demolished it. All right, Bobby. Oh. Little smallie. Oh, buddy. Gosh. Dude, they take it right as it hits the water. But he spit it. So you gotta be careful. You gotta don't try and set the hook right away. Like you have to be sure they take it. Like kind of like slowly kind of pull it back, maybe reel it a little bit and just try and see if they have it or not. Especially with the bluegill, because you know they have really small mouths. Hold it up some. Reel her in, Bobby. All right, keep your rod down, but keep tension on it. All right, enough. You don't have to reel no more. All right, here, I'll take this and you unhook him.
You're gonna stab me.
He was not going to stab you.
You done, buddy?
If you hold him down, he won't stab you. Come on, Bob.
Just hold him?
Yeah, just grab him.
You're gonna stab me.
No, just grab him. He's not gonna stab you. If you grab him, he can't stab you if you grab him. There you go. Now pull the hook out.
What is this thing?
This smallmouth. Good job, buddy. Oh, pretty good one. Oh, he's under my legs. Oh, where is he? He's wrapped around my legs. Oh. Oh. That was a good one. Buddy, stop swimming into me. Pretty good little guy. Ow, he bit down. Oh. All right, ready? All right, Bobby. Ow, let go, buddy. God. He clamped down on my thumb and wouldn't let go. I love smallmouth, dude. They're awesome. I think I got him still. Yep. All right, buddy. Why y'all keep swimming at me? You want to come home with me? I think my Oscar could probably eat him. Oh, he said nope. He heard that and said nope. All right, just keep line tight. All right, you're good. You don't have to reel no more. Keep the line tight. All right, that's a good one. Oh.
The big one. Who's that?
Oh, that was close. Oh, shoot. Here, you want a picture with him?
Need it?
You want a picture? Oh, yeah. No, it probably flew off. Yeah, you want a picture? You want a picture with him or what are you doing? Brother, how does this happen?
Get close to that.
Okay, Jordan cast it over me and I had a bass and my line went through his hook eyelet. I don't know if you can see that.
I might take a picture of my phone. And
It's literally through it. How does that even happen? Look at that. My line went through his hook eyelet. That is crazy.
How did that happen?
I guess it went through that little... I should be able to pop it back out. Yeah. Okay, it popped out.
Turn around, buddy.
Just grab him. It's fine.
It's
It's not. If you grab him, he cannot open his fins. The only ones that will stab you are up here, the dorsal fins.
the one that I have grabbed?
Yeah, but the only time they can stab you is if they're already up. If you're holding them down. Yeah, there you go, buddy. All right. And you still got your worm. Dude, that would be perfect to put in my aquarium. It's a largemouth. He is tiny. If I had something,
I was reeling this one back in too.
If I had something, I would take him. Look at that.
Not bad.
Yeah, it's a little largy. It's so weird seeing them small like this. Like really small. Well, we came in down there, went up this side of the river, came back down this side. So I have to circle back this way and go get my tackle bag. And then I guess we're gonna get on out of here. I'm fishing on the way back to get my tackle bag because why not? Jordan couldn't come this way because his feet, I don't know if you can see him all the way down there, but he's just sitting there. Ow, Bobby, chill. Appreciate it, little smallmouth. Little Rapidan smallmouth. Oh. Easy, buddy. Is that a largemouth? Damn, my drag was tight. That's a smallmouth. He's right by me. You get a picture with me, dog.
Motherfucker took my damn bait.
Oh, you got one? Nice little smallie, dude. I love smallmouth. Ow, dude, they bite me. They like biting me. Smallie. I gave him a kiss for probably the last okay sized one here for the day at least. Well, we made it back to this hill we gotta climb up, I think, but I don't really know because someone took my machete. What do you mean maybe, buddy? It was in the ground with the orange handle sticking up. Where else would it be? I'm trying to find my machete.
Come back down.
I ain't coming back down here. I don't know if we can get back up without it. I was gonna try and use it to climb up, and it's gone. What? Is this not where we came up? Is where we came down? I just don't see our old footprints up here. I don't think this is it. Well, we're back in the water after we determined that's not the right spot. So we think we keep on trucking. Well, while Jordan's catching up, I'm doing a little fishing. Here's a present from me to you, my friend. Well, we made it. I was way off. Oh! Pulled my boot off. I made it. Well, Bobby, we survived.
We did. Caught my first fish. Caught a lot of them.
Yeah, a whole lot of smallmouth. Not big ones, but you know, for this area of the Rapidan, it's good.
It was a rough walk for me. My waders with no shoes.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. I explained it in the video that Jordan bought you know, some waders that you have to have shoes over top of. And he
I bought water shoes, but they didn't really fit too well.
And they just fell off as soon as he got in the water.
Because the wader, like, feet part is like a ½ an inch thick.
Yeah, he pretty much had socks on, pretty much. That's what it was like.
It's like walking on gravel with socks on.
Yeah.
Pretty much the whole time.
But we caught a lot of bass, smallmouth, a few bluegill. Yeah, I mean, I had fun. I mean, my feet hurt. I'm sure Jordan's hurt.
I think they're fine now. They don't hurt like as much as I thought they would.
Mine feel fine now. Yeah, stay tuned. We got stuff coming, as always. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and yeah.
All right.
We'll see you next time. Peace.
It's almost 1400, and Kyle left me here, stranded in the middle of the river. I've only got a little bit of water left, and I got no more food, and I might be out here for a while, guys. So far we've been catching fish. I've been stepping on rocks with my waders that have no boots on. I'm miserable. It's been rough. Send help.